Tell me, what is this called? The gyro? The gyro? The gyro? I don't know. I hear everybody's call it different. What's the actual pronunciation? Does anybody know? Hey guys, I'm Tom.
I'm Vicky.
We're with the Carolina Travel Channel, and I ain't done a video in the last couple of days. I've kind of been sideways of the weather, or above the weather, or under the weather is what I'm trying to say. And so we ain't went nowhere. But we did today. We went to a little place that somebody told us about in Thomasville, North Carolina, and it's called Nick's Sub Shop and something. But we're here, so we're gonna go in and try it out, and we'll let you know how it tastes. And we'll post a little video here in a few minutes. So come with us, right?
Come on, let's go.
Let's go. Well, we are here. Let's find the parking. There's a lot of people here. What? Let's go over here somewhere and park. That's a good sign when you see it real crowded. You know what I'm saying? Let's go in here and see what we can find. Here. Now you might like that because that's what we got before. So if I could see, that'd make it easier probably.
Well, put your glasses.
Oh. Well, we checked it out, and guys, you need to stop in here if you're in the area of Thomasville by Old Greensboro Road. It is super good. I will drive all the way back over here just to get that gyro, hero, whatever that thing's called. I'm gonna get it. But how was yours?
Mine's good. Yep.
So stop on by Nick's and tell them the Carolina Travel sent you. Maybe they'll give you a discount, but I doubt
it.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you.